Welcome to my second channel here on YouTube. My name is Michelle, and some of you may know me from my first channel, which is an art-based channel, because that's my job, teaching watercolor painting and drawing and a few other media as well. But I started a second channel to put everything else on. So on this channel, we do some plant-based cooking, particularly advanced prep, by which I mean freezer cooking. I also share my exploits in other creative things such as sewing, jewelry making, upcycling, and a bit of thrift store shopping. We're also going to have some stuff about health and fitness for older adults, because I have been involved in martial arts training for many years and other things like yoga. So I'm going to give you some helpful hints and tips about how to stay strong and healthy as you grow older and maintain a healthy body weight. Just like my first channel, all of the things on this channel are fully approved by CATS, and subscribing is completely free. So I hope you'll join me on this healthy, creative and kind journey.